This is the largest settlement yet. This is $4 billion larger than the $13 billion settlement with J.P. Morgan, which set a unique record several months ago. Of this $17 billion, about $10 billion will be cash and about $7 billion will be in the form of consumer relief. It's largely the product of Bank of America's acquisition of Countrywide just before the financial crisis. That Countrywide acquisition is proved to be probably the most disastrous merger in American history. Any penalty goes to the Department of Justice and through them to the U.S. Treasury, where it in fact pays down the national debt. This is not like SEC penalties, which can go back to investors. When it first came out that there was a tentative settlement, the stock price of Bank of America went up. The market is relieved to hear there is a settlement and the number didn't shock it. It wanted this matter resolved, and I think the management of Bank of America would have paid almost any amount to put this behind them, because this was trauma. This was a problem that they inherited from Countrywide, but was an all-consuming problem for the current senior management.
Can we help you, sir?
What this does is generate deterrence. I think all banks, particularly these large banks involved in subprime mortgages, realize that risky practices can cost them and cost them dearly, although it will be years later. We're seeing one more settlement in which no individual is held accountable. While banks are paying the penalty, you have to pierce through the banks and recognize that corporations don't commit the crimes, individuals within them do, and individuals have basically escaped accountability.